All right, I have here 3 EDC gadgets that I found on Amazon. First one is this here by Runbox. Nothing in the back, nothing there, nothing there. Slide open. Put that to the side. File that off to the side. Here we go, made in China. Hey, shout out to China. Anything here? Nope, nothing here. You got a little, what is this here? Saying it's recycled. It's a micro pack, LPD, PE. Okay. Open her up. Come on. Where are you? Thing's trolling me. There we go. So it's a wallet. As you can see, carbon fiber. Wannabe. You have here your usual pockets. Hey, shout out to the money clip. Nice and tight there. A little stiff. Yep. Definitely not leather. What do we got here? Another little pocket there. Another one down here. This one's a little tough because that clips there. So the rear, front. Oh, there you go. You can also put a little card in here. Grab it, slide it out. Here you go, buddy. Charge it up. Anyways, not a bad little unit, right? Size comparison to my hand. I carry a large in men's. So that is the first item. On to the next one we go. And it is a tool by O-Knife. I recently purchased one of these and it was the pliers. This one, however, is the scissors. So shout out to the scissors. And here's your information on that. Okay, P15. If you want to pause that, scan that, you can. Let's go ahead and open her up. Right here. Okay, that to the side. Shout out to the silica gel, right? Let me get this knife out of the way. Okay, what do we have here? Nothing. Okay, slide that off to the side. And here we go. So, like I said, I've already had one of these. They're similar from what I see. It's the Otako P15 compact scissors. How's the scissors cut? How do they cut? How? Oh, yeah. Getting trolled over here by my equipment. Let's see how she cuts. Like nothing, right? As you expect, because it's only paper, but I'm sure it does a fantastic job. Let's check out tools. We have here can opener with a little possible flathead screwdriver deal going on over there. We have a sheep's foot knife. Horrible grind line, look at that. But it is what it is, right? Here, a file with another file. That's for your fingernails. That's for you to get out of prison. Little screwdriver, flathead. Also, behind that, little tool for your micro SD card. Or if you want to play doctor with your wife. Who knows? Nowadays, people do some strange things. Shout out to that. Little Phillips. And behind that, little lanyard hole option there. And that's it. I think that's it. If I missed anything, let me know because I can't see any other tool in here. But not a bad unit. On to the next item. We go. All right, final one. Precision screwdriver set, 22 in 1. Here's some information if you want to look at that. And down here, if you want to read the barcode, scan it. Again, Let's dive into it. Rah! Yeah. Oh, thing went flying. Nothing in the box. No instructions. No nothing. Actually, spoke too soon. Here we go. There it is. Your typical little instruction type of manual product. File that off to the side. Screwdriver. Has a little nipple. Shout out to the nipple. I'll set her off to the side. Nice tiny little bit. Feels a little heavy. Feels like it's aluminum. I bet you it is. I'm sure you caught that with the... man, I'm slipping over here. I'm sure you read it on the manual. What does this say? Is that aluminum? Yeah, it is. See here? This spins. Can also be a fidget spinner. There you go. Yeah, I like it. Not bad. All right, enough playing around. I don't know how you take that apart. Let me see. Does it say here? Oh, it's right underneath. See that? I guess that's why they send these things in. I never read them. I just follow them off to the side, right? So let's see. Maybe pull? Yes, that's it. Pull. So all kinds of bits going on over here. Very, very nice. Let's see how easy and quick it is to change one. So actually, let me see. That's a magnet. So if I want to change, just go like that. Put this one back where that one was. Okay, yep. Slide that in. And then that's also on a magnet. Reversible as well. Come on, get it in. That it. Boy. Not bad. Hey, what's that? Debris. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for coming in, checking out these 3 items from Amazon. If you'd like to check them out, do so. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Until the next one, take care.